Have you ever experienced a situation where a door slammed shut in your face, only to realize later that it was actually a blessing in disguise? Today, we're delving into the art of turning rejection into opportunity, inspired by the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine living in a world where every no doesn't discourage you, but rather motivates you forward. Rejection, often seen as a setback, can actually become a stepping stone to greatness. In this video, we'll explore 12 powerful lessons inspired by Stoic philosophy that teach you how to harness the power of rejection. These are not just theoretical concepts, but practical strategies that you can apply in your daily life. But before we dive in, let's make sure to spread this wisdom by liking and subscribing to our channel. 1. Ignore them. When faced with indifference, rise above it. By focusing on your goals and happiness, you assert your self-worth without getting caught up in bitterness. 2. Don't react emotionally. Instead of letting emotions control you, respond with composure and thoughtfulness. Recognize that your self-worth isn't dependent on others' opinions. 3. Remove them from your mind. Acknowledge rejection, but don't let it consume you. Explore new activities and surround yourself with positivity to navigate through it. 4. Demonstrate your value. Use rejection as an opportunity to showcase your resilience and competence. Let every setback be a setup for a greater comeback. 5. Cut off contact. Embrace silence as a tool for emotional peace. Redirect your energy towards activities and relationships that bring you fulfillment. 6. Prove them wrong. Channel rejection into self-improvement. Let your actions speak louder than words as you surpass your own limits. 7. Go out and have fun. Seek joy and connection amidst rejection. Embrace new experiences and shared moments to reaffirm your worth. 8. Build your social status. Focus on personal growth and community involvement rather than seeking external validation. Share your journey authentically to foster meaningful connections. 9. Act as if they don't exist. Respect your peace by not engaging in one-sided interactions. Maintain professionalism while focusing on what truly matters to you. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Use silence as a period of introspection and self-reflection. Preserve your dignity and emotional well-being by choosing not to respond. 11. Don't beg for attention. Anchor yourself in self-worth and independence. Engage in activities that fulfill you without seeking validation from others. 12. Be kind but emotionally distant. Respond with kindness while maintaining emotional boundaries. Protect your inner peace without expecting reciprocation. By adopting these Stoic-inspired strategies, you can transform rejection from a source of pain into a catalyst for personal growth and resilience. Remember, your worth is not defined by others' opinions, but by your own self-awareness and self-love. As we conclude this journey of turning rejection into opportunity, remember that you are the author of your own story. Embrace rejection as a stepping stone towards personal growth and resilience. By applying these Stoic principles, you can navigate through life's challenges with grace and emerge stronger than ever before. So, dare to embrace rejection, for it is not the end, but a beginning of a new chapter in your journey towards greatness. Thank you for joining us, and may you continue to thrive despite the hurdles that come your way. Stay resilient, stay inspired, and until next time, keep turning every rejection into your greatest victory.